Every year, tool brands talk about innovation, but most of the time it's just minor upgrades. FESTOOL takes a different approach. When they release something new, it usually changes how the work actually gets done. And for 2026, the focus is clear: a smarter, cleaner, and more connected workflow designed to save time, reduce effort, and deliver more consistent results. Starting strong, the HLC82 completely changes the way surface preparation feels. Instead of leaving behind a rough finish that demands heavy sanding, this planer uses a single spiral blade with a pulling cut that slices wood fibers at an angle. The result is a noticeably finer surface right off the tool. That alone cuts down a huge amount of follow-up work. On top of that, the brushless EC Tech motor keeps performance steady even when you push it to a maximum chip depth of 2.5 millimeters. You're not dealing with power drops or uneven cuts. The base also includes 3 integrated V-grooves, giving you clean and accurate chamfers without switching tools. Being cordless and lightweight just adds to the efficiency, turning what used to be a 2-step process into one smooth, controlled pass. Moving over to dust control, FESTOOL's compact extractor is clearly built for real-world job site conditions. It's easy to carry, doesn't take up much space, and fits perfectly into service work or installations where mobility matters. But even with its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on features. The touch controls are simple and responsive, even when you're wearing gloves, and Bluetooth connectivity means it automatically starts when your cordless tool kicks in. That kind of seamless operation saves time and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. There's also a dedicated hose storage area built right into the unit, keeping everything organized and protected during transport. It's a small machine, but it handles dust management in a big way. Even with strong extraction, fine dust can still float around and settle later. The SYS-AIR purifier is designed to handle exactly that. Packed into a portable SYS-stainer format, it uses a 2-stage filtration system with a HEPA filter to clean the air continuously. It's capable of cycling the air in a large room multiple times per hour, which makes a huge difference, especially during finishing work. And since it runs quietly, it doesn't interfere with your workflow. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about creating a healthier workspace overall. For larger setups, FESTOOL has taken its core extractor lineup and made it smarter across the board. These upgraded models bring in touch-based controls and built-in Bluetooth, allowing them to sync directly with your tools. But what really stands out is the level of customization. Using the FESTOOL app, you can adjust the auto-clean function depending on the type of dust you're dealing with. That means consistent suction without having to stop and manually intervene. With different capacity options, 26, 36, and 48 liters, you can match the extractor to your exact needs. It's not just about power anymore, it's about intelligent performance that adapts to your workflow. Sanding often feels repetitive, but the ETSC2 changes that by adding a layer of precision that you can actually see. The built-in LED light ring illuminates the surface directly as you work, exposing imperfections instantly instead of after the fact. That means fewer mistakes and less rework. The tool itself is designed to sit low in your hand, improving control and balance, while vibration reduction helps you stay comfortable during long sessions. It's one of those tools that quietly improves your results without you even realizing it at first. Lighting might seem simple, but it has a massive impact on the final result. The SYSLITE KBS C delivers 5,000 lumens with a color temperature that closely matches natural daylight. That makes it much easier to spot imperfections in surfaces like drywall, paint, or trim. What makes it even more useful is its flexibility. You can mount it magnetically, hang it, place it on a tripod, and adjust the angle exactly where you need it. The rugged housing ensures it can handle tough job site environments without any issues. It's not just about brightness, it's about clarity. Precision is a huge part of FESTOOL's identity, and the guide rail system proves why. It transforms handheld tools into something that feels far more controlled and accurate. The rail itself stays perfectly straight, while the splinter guard ensures clean, tear-free edges. With additional accessories like clamps, connectors, and angle guides, you can expand its functionality to handle complex cuts with ease. It reduces waste, speeds up your work, and removes a lot of the guesswork from cutting tasks. A lot of users underestimate how important filters are, but they directly affect how well your extractor performs. FESTOOL offers multiple options tailored to different jobs. Long-life bags are reusable and ideal for general debris, while self-clean bags are designed for fine dust and automatically prevent clogging. HEPA filters capture extremely fine particles, and wet filters allow for water leak cleanup. Choosing the right combination ensures your system runs efficiently and maintains strong airflow at all times.
The hose might seem like a simple connection, but it plays a big role in overall performance. FESTOOL provides different sizes to match different tools and tasks. Larger hoses are perfect for moving heavy debris quickly, while smaller ones are lighter and easier to handle during detailed work. All of them feature anti-static properties, which helps prevent dust buildup and eliminates static shocks. Cleaning kits add even more versatility, with specialized attachments for everything from floors to tight corners. Using the right blade can completely change how your saw performs. FESTOOL blades are engineered with specific tooth designs and thin curves to reduce resistance and improve efficiency. That means faster cuts, longer battery life, and cleaner results. Different blades are optimized for different materials, ensuring that you always get the best possible finish without unnecessary effort. The MFT3 acts as the foundation for a well-organized workspace. Its perforated surface allows for secure clamping, while integrated guide rail compatibility ensures precise, repeatable cuts. It works as a cutting station, assembly bench, and sanding platform all in one. Foldable legs make it easy to transport, and adjustable height keeps it stable even on uneven ground. It's essentially a portable workshop that adapts to whatever task you're working on. Working overhead for long periods can quickly become exhausting, but this harness helps distribute the load more evenly across your body. Designed for long-reach sanders, it reduces strain on your arms and shoulders, allowing you to work longer with better control. The difference becomes noticeable almost immediately, especially during extended sanding sessions. The updated router focuses heavily on precision and stability. Its dual-column clamping system increases rigidity, reducing unwanted movement during operation. An integrated LED light provides a clear view of your cutting area, and fine adjustment controls allow for extremely accurate depth settings. It's a refined tool built for detailed, high-precision work. This version of the Plan X sander is designed for common drywall and painting tasks, with a fixed length that keeps it balanced and easier to control. Its random orbit motion prevents swirl marks, leaving behind a smooth, ready-to-finish surface. Combined with adjustable suction, it reduces the effort needed to hold and guide the tool. One of the most advanced additions in this lineup is the XO18. Worn like a backpack, it actively supports your arms during overhead work. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it provides lifting assistance that reduces fatigue and improves control. Adjustable support levels allow you to match the assistance to your specific task, making physically demanding work much more manageable. Compact doesn't mean weak here. These 12-volt drills deliver strong performance thanks to their brushless motors, while their small size make them perfect for tight spaces. With two different ergonomic designs and compatibility with a wide range of attachments, they offer impressive versatility in a lightweight package. For smaller or mobile setups, this tabletop solution provides a stable working surface with multiple clamping points. Its compact design makes it easy to transport while still being strong enough to handle demanding tasks. It's a practical addition for anyone working in limited space. The CMS router table brings a higher level of control to routing tasks. Its guided system ensures smooth, accurate cuts, while effective dust collection keeps your workspace clean. Reduced vibration improves both precision and comfort, especially during longer jobs. This track saw combines power, accuracy, and safety in one tool. The integrated kickback stop adds an extra layer of protection, while strong torque ensures fast, clean cuts.
Dust control is seamless, keeping your workspace clear and your visibility sharp. To wrap things up, transporting your tools becomes much easier with the SYS-Roll Dolly. Built to handle heavy loads, it moves smoothly across different surfaces and even handles stairs more easily. With secure storage and durable construction, it's designed to keep everything moving efficiently on the job. So overall, FESTOOL's 2026 lineup isn't just about adding new tools, it's about improving the entire workflow. From cutting and sanding to dust control and mobility, everything is designed to work together in a smarter way. And once you start using tools like these, it's hard to go back to anything else.